Hi guys, today I am presenting NutriVision AI, an enterprise-grade nutrition analysis platform. Our goal was to build a system that goes beyond simple demonstrations to offer a truly robust, production-ready solution with a premium user experience. The core enabler of this project was Qubrid AI platform. By leveraging Qubrid, we were able to instantly deploy and integrate state-of-art Qwen3 model. This allowed us to bypass complex infrastructure challenges and focus entirely on building a high precision analysis engine wrapped in a modern interface. Let's walk through the system starting with its user experience. So this is the dashboard of our NutriVision AI. We will browse a file, we will select a food item, we will analyze it. So it will give us the name of the food dish, its nutritional content out per 100 grams. It will generate a health score out of 100 to rate it, and further a full detail analysis report about it. And we can further ask follow-up questions like, I'm strict on weight loss plan, is it good for me to eat? Yeah, so it will give us a detailed answer. We can further chat with it based on our likings, and further we can also select. We have option to select our goal, like a general health goal or a weight loss or maybe muscle plan, or we want a complete athletic performance. So based on our likings and selection, the system will give us answers in that form. We will try one more dish. Let's reset the app. We will browse one more. Okay, let's see. This is my favorite item. Yeah, it gave us the name Chana Puri. Again, a full detail analysis, and then we can further follow up. So telling you more about the UI, this is the setting. We can change the theme based on our liking, like a light theme or a dark theme. Then we have a goal to choose. We can enable streaming or disable it. We have option to browse a file, a .gpg, png, any type of image file is good to go. Then we can also have a recent chat history of last 5 to 10 dish items. So yeah, this is our great beautiful UI. So a beautiful AI needs a powerful intelligence behind it. So this is where Qubrid AI platform comes in the picture. So integrating advanced multimodals like Qwen3 typically requires managing complex GPU clusters. So Qubrid AI solved this infrastructure hurdle entirely. We utilize their managed interface platform to access the model via a secure high performance API endpoint. So this is the UI. We can directly generate a API key and start using the Qwen3 model. Then we will further discuss the backend of this project. So let's deep dive into this. So yeah, so let's start with the main app.py. So this is the main orchestrator of this platform. So it acts as a MVC controller. It manages the session state to persist user context, history and images, and handles business logics while delegating all visual rendering to the models to the UI component. So we will further look into the UI part of the app. So this is a dynamic theme engine. This replaces static CSS. It uses a runtime string interpolation to inject Python variables into the DOM. This allows the app to recalculate styles like colors, transparency instantly based on the user's theme selection. Then further schemas.py. So this is the main firewall, the data integration level. It uses Pendantech to enforce strict typing, like ensuring calories is is always an integer. It validates raw AI output before it ever reaches the UI, preventing various crashes. Further, the parser.py. So this is like a middleware. The sanitation level, it extracts pure JSON files from the AI's response using regex and provides graceful error handling if the model output is malperformed, ensuring high availability. Then we have prompts Yeah, so enhanced prompts, nutrition prompt. This is the instruction layer. So it implements few short chain of thought prompting. We provide the model with concrete examples of perfect analysis to force logic, reasoning, and standardization outputs. So this is the overall code structure, the backend of our app. And in summary, I would like to say NutriVision AI demonstrates the Qubrid platform. That Qubrid platform can be combined with rigorous software engineering to build next generation applications. So we have created a system that is fast, accurate, and ready to scale. Now it's your time to explore Qubrid AI platform. Thank you.